Okay, step number 4, leverage technology, right? The best way to make money is to minimize having to have staff deal with it, right? And by the way, you often also can minimize mistakes. But technology should not only simplify and streamline everything, the tech that I use actually makes me money, okay? So for instance, I use Anchor to automate all of my engagement letters and automatically follow up with the clients. This way, nothing falls through the cracks. We don't have to worry about having a staff person, chase them. The software does it for me, right? And it alerts me everything when they've read it, when they've signed, when I get paid. It's all automated. It just runs on its own and it's free. Well, it's $5 per financial transaction, but given our cheapest financial transaction is $750, it's less than 1%. I don't worry about getting 5-star Google reviews. Nice Job does that for me. The software costs almost nothing. It automatically chases my clients to get the review, and as long as it's a 5-star, we'll automatically post it. Okay? Tax help software, transcripts, all of our offers and compromise, and for what we charge for transcript reports, first-time penalty abatements, it is a huge money spinner for us. RC reports I use for our reasonable comp during an audit. C Corp and S Corp, you've got to have some report that backs up the W-2 comp that the taxpayer took, all right? They're paying for each report. RC reports cost like $1,500, I think with a discount through tax wrap, it's like $1,400. We probably make $25,000 a year on it, right? No brainer, right? The point is this: look at what you're going to be doing, the services you're going to be providing, and look for the tech to put in place. If it's sort of expensive, you can get started without it. But as you ramp up, I think you're going to find pretty quickly you're going to want that in place. So certainly the key thing to building $1 million practice is doing more with less, meaning less staff. If you have staff and they're good, excellent. Let's do more with them by automating a lot of the tasks they're not going to need to do. If you don't have staff, you may not need to hire a lot of staff if we can use the technology properly.